got a wine bottle. Another vlog. In this vlog we are in IKEA, which is also opened in Bangalore, which is nearly located near Nagasandra metro station, and this is how it looks. And this IKEA spreads over 12.2 acres. The over 4,60,000 square feet of IKEA Nagasandra store will also feature over 7,000 affordable, good quality, sustainable and well designed home furnishing IKEA products, along with the inspiring home sets to instill creativity ideas to decor your homes. So this IKEA is nearly located near Nagasandra metro station. So where you can see that side, there is a metro pillars. So once you enter inside, like you will be having a direct connection from metro to IKEA building, and from metro you can directly enter inside the IKEA store. At the entrance, like you will be finding like this. Christmas also they have made all the decoration over here also. So even this room is also good. Like see, you can have a big TV and all the sofas. You can bring your friends and you can chit chat here, and you will be having all the storage places. If you want to study, you just need to pull this up. It will become a study table, and you have a place wherever you want, you can place it, and you have another storage too. So this is cool, bro. Like see, you can literally see all the plates, racks and plates and everything. They have pretty much collection of whiskey store talks, and they got this. You got the TV here. You can choose all the furniture from here only before going there. And this costs around 71,000. Whatever you can see, this is 360 degree. This you can remove this. This will be separate, and this will be separate. You can do, and this is the cost now. This is too expensive. So you got here, you can also this. Here you can separate like this. And this costs now, but not really. This is what we found.
Bruh.
Let me have this, and we'll go dinosaur. Wait, we got another dinosaur. Shit. Is this one is good or this one is good? Yeah, something. And this is my small children's. They have a foldable sitting place with the sofa. And they got the decoration items. Here it looks something like this. Here they have bed sheets, and which costs around 1,220. I got pretty much expensive. The cost of this will be 39,990. Guys, look what we found. Foldable sofa plus bed. I got this IKEA trolley, but I don't know whether we are gonna buy anything or not. The small chair also was of 9,990. Lowest price of 9,990. Okay. So look what I wanted to buy some sofa, and it was so expensive and we are not able to see any less cost sofa. So these all are what to say, costly. But the sofas are that side. I think all pretty much costly only. See, this sofa is around 29,990. Yes, look, if you have any small kitchen, no, like you can able to you can make your design like this. This will be there. You can put it on that side and this side. Here you can wash your dish very easily. On this side you will get hot water. This side cold water, warm water. So here you can able to store the things, and again here, and we have our dishwasher. Here you can put all your plates in here, and we have a small storage for kitchens, and here like you can keep all your ingredients, and this small stove. This costs around 1,900. This also same, like next to your kitchen only will be having an hand wash tub. Then they have placed washing machine, and they have some racks to keep your like clothing bags, and some area to store your things like a plate and etc. So this costs around 15,000, 3,000, and this will be your own cost. Let's look what we got. We got the wine bottle. How to open this? Just like this, and on top this. Guys, look, like if you have a small home, no, like this will be a perfect hand wash table for you. Like we have water sink, we have a sanitizer bottle, we have glass, and we have this. And until we have space here also. See, the connection was really good. And even we have glass also, mirror, and it should be cost around 3,490, and this will be around 13,400. Oh, here also we got a washroom with all the facilities. This was really good, and we have a cover to cover it. We got hand wash, we have all the bathing stuff, and we got some place and to sleep. Guys, look who we got. Elephant, blue elephant. No need to worry. If you have a small balcony also, this will be the perfect place. You can keep all your shirts and rock it out here. And you got a washing machine, you got some place to store, and you got some place to sit and chill. And this will be the balcony side, and this will be the perfect place for. And here they got a small dining hall. Dinner. They have all kind of chairs, ingredients, and this architecture was stunning. And even though in small places also they can able to keep all the things accordingly, so it works really good. Right? On off. And this is slider. Slide it left and slide it right. They got all type of cupboard here. Guys, look what we got. No, what are we doing in India? We need to be in China, right? No. Sorry, Christmas Santa. Their prices are lower than MRP, guys. Guys, look where we are. We are in the IKEA's big godown, bro. Like if I come to I'll be getting in mind that the Mr. Bean bought some item and he lost a screw and he sneaked into some shop and he got that screws right. So this is how it feels like. It is literally a large, bro.